At least we're going to learn a new piece called Sugar Cookies. Look at that cute picture. What is the technique of this piece? And be careful, you might see a couple of different techniques for this one.
Forte staccato, piano staccato, forte staccato, and forte legato.
Very good. You know what? Let's practice those sounds. So first of all, start with the forte staccato. Play anything you want. Forte staccato, just like I did, okay? Right like that. That sounded kind of dramatic. Can you feel like you're going to touch your nose with your staccato? Hands. Shoulders down. One more time. Very good. Now, did you think you could be even shorter? I like a short sound. Now, loose shoulders and try it again. That's okay. Great. Now we have piano staccato. Make something soft and staccato. Anything you like. Anything. Right, loose shoulders. Good job. Wow, that was very soft. Now, what about forte staccato again? Really make it loud. And forte legato. Very smooth, shoulders relaxed. That was so smooth, but was it loud? I love that because it was smooth and loud. Very smooth. Thank you.